the whole thing, okay?
Alright.
This is our cameraman. This is Everett. Everett, say hi.
Da.
Okay.
Da.
Here you go. Daddy's gonna throw the airplane. I want you to follow it with your camera. Okay?
Make sure the airplane stays right in the camera at all times, okay?
On 3. 1,
Yeah.
2, 3.
He starts running and he's shaking the camera.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna tape it again, okay?
There you go. We'll stand over here.
So what's the airplane? You ready to record? 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. What's not working? Stop it, Mommy, to fish. Oh.
4 or 5.
Hey, why not working? Let's go, Daddy. Yep.
All my camera shots?
Yeah.
I love it.
Ready? Watch this.
Oh, wait.
Wow! Good one.
No, Daddy.
You weren't recording it.
Yeah. Again, this starter shots. Again, this starter shots. Ours. There's everything. Carmen. There we go. I saw it better. I saw it on there.
Okay, I'm going to send you a picture of some tracks. You tell me who they belong to. Okay, I'll be back.
Oh, wait. Oh, the playground. Okay. I don't know what goes.
Are you recording?
Yeah. Are you going on the airplane? Give you $1. Bye,
Did you get the recording?
no, I got the $.
Let me see. Okay. Looks like you're still recording. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Okay, ready? Record my flight. Aim it at the plane. Make sure you see the plane on your screen.
All right.
Okay, turn it this way.
I got go to Butters. Who that, buddy?
Everett,
Good.
record my flight. Ready?
The movie doll. Oh, I get it. I got it.
Record the damage. You can go see the tracks.
Here, Daddy.
Yeah, they look like
Oh,
tracks or something.
Here, Mommy wants to throw.
I want to throw.
Will you record her flight?
you're right.
Okay, turn around and record.
Ready, Evan?
Yeah. I got going here.
1.
Again. Yeah.
Yeah!
I got it.
Ah! Careful.
I got it.
I'll take it.
I got it.
Done. Thanks. Ready? I'll do it again. Here we go. Everett, ready to record?
Yeah.
Okay, point it this way.
All right.
Ready?
I'm
I'm gonna
just
race it.
walking.
Wait, wouldn't you want it this way? Okay, ready?
Yeah.
You're pointing it the wrong way.
Oh, that explains it.
Make sure you see the airplane in your screen.
All right.
Turn it around. Turn it
Let's
around.
go.
Hey, turn it around. That's not what I mean. Flip it over.
3, 2, 1. Like that?
Woo! Good job, Mommy. Here we go.
I'm looking out.
Oh.
Whoa!
Are you done recording?
Oh.
I think you're done. Let me try it.
All right. Sure.
Thank you for watching.